Hey guys, so today I will be introducing you guys to the new series. So we're going to be doing a cooking series. Comment if I should make a cooking channel. I don't wanna ignore what I just said. I am not doing that. So if you want, comment what you want us to make and comment the recipe. And if it's a family meal, like only for your family, do not comment it. Keep your family meals to yourself, okay? But really what I'm trying to say is we're going to do a cooking channel, cooking series. And you guys have always been seeing the inside the computer, but why not the outside of the computer? I know we need to dust it, but my new webcam. So really, we're going to be doing a cooking channel with Pikachu. Pikachu, come out. Pikachu, come out. Pikachu, come out. Pikachu, don't come out. Wait, Pikachu? Pikachu, what are you doing? Pika? Pika! So today we're going to be doing our first cooking video. Today we're going to be having cooked human. We're not having cooked human. We're not doing cooking yet. But tell us what you want us to make. I'll see you next time. Maybe it will be a cooking video. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.